So welcome to all of you, and today we are going to discuss cell biology, and it is my lecture fourth. Okay, and in this lecture we will cover the following topics, which is lysosome, cytoplasm, and cytoskeleton. Okay, so in one side you can see the structure of lysosomes. Okay, cytoplasm, and in between these two it is the structure of cytoskeleton. Okay, so one by one we will discuss in explained way. So in the first slide, I have discussed regarding the lysosome, and since it is a single membrane structure and different types of vesicles presents inside that. Okay, and these vesicles containing the hydrolytic enzymes, and optimum pH of this acetic enzyme is 5. Okay, so sometimes what happens, since this layer is unilayered, okay, so that's why in sometimes the all the acetic enzymes releases uh, in some circumstances you can say these acetic enzymes uh, release inside the cytoplasm of the cell. Okay, so that's why since different types of organelles are present inside the cell, so that's why these organelles can be destroyed. Okay, so that's why it is also known as um, role in cell death. Okay, so 60 actually so it is also termed as suicidal bags. Okay, so 60 kinds of powerful digestive and hydrolytic enzymes are present inside that, and which works on the PS5. It also helps in fertilization and acts as a phagocytosis by the by WBCs. Okay, and different types of diseases can be arises by the these stories. Okay, so you can see these types of diseases such as Gaucher disease, Niemann Pick disease, and another. Okay, so come on the another side, these contain several oxidases such as catalase and peroxidase. Functions, there are lots of functions. You can see it involves the oxidation of amino acids, oxidation of long chain fatty acids, protects cell from toxic effects of S2O2. Dysfunction of peroxisome leads to Jungler syndrome, glyoxysome in plants. Okay, it inserts rich in lipids. Okay, so some function involved played by the lysosomes. Okay. So come on the next slide. In this slide, I have discussed the cytoplasm. So you can see these organelles. These are cell organelles which are suspended inside the cytoplasm. Okay, so so the living ability of these organelles depends on the presence of cytoplasm. Okay, so it is very essential parts of the cell, and it is a fluid type. Okay, and in this fluid the different organelles are suspended inside that and make it living type. Okay, so it is the fluid content of the cell, and site for many metabolic pathways: glycolysis, protein synthesis, fatty acid synthesis, and purine synthesis. Okay, so it is site of metabolic pathway means glycolysis happens inside the cytoplasm, and different types of protein synthesis, fatty acid synthesis, and purine synthesis are in occur inside the cytoplasm. Okay, so it is very important fluid inside the cell. Okay. The next one is we will discuss the cytoskeleton. Okay, so it is a network of protein filament that extend throughout the cytoplasm and anchors to plasma membrane. Dynamic structure: three types of filaments proteins are involved for this formation, for cytoskeleton formation. One is microtubules, second one is intermediate filaments, and third one is microfilaments. So these are three elements from the cytoskeleton. Okay, and it provides to shape to the cells because it strengthens the cells. Okay, because it is thread like structure, and it also anchored to the plasma membrane also, and give the shape to the cells. Okay, acts as an internal frameworks, help in uptake of material into the cells because these pores are present, and these are jointed near the cell, and these cytoskeletal, these you can see uh, these three like structure are processed from there, which helps for the movement of materials into the cells. Okay, helps in internal movement of the cell organ, movement of cells and muscle contractions. Okay, helps in cell division. Okay, so it also helps for the cell division. Okay, so so next one, since I have completed this three organelles, the Then we will discuss the important question which can be asked in the competitive exams. So first of all, lysosome is made up of. So what is your answer? Then unilayered. Okay, so it is unilayered and it forms from the Golgi complex. It is also known as suicidal bags. Why? It because different types of acetic hydrogen, acetic digestive and hydrolytic enzymes are present inside that. Okay, and then these pH, these act some specific pH which is 5, help in fertilization and role in cell death. Okay, so these are the important points regarding the lysosomes. Okay, next one is cytoplasm. So one question can be arise from this part that the nature of the cytoplasm. So it is fluid like. Okay, and the second question can be arise that glycolysis takes place. So glycolysis takes place inside the cytoplasm. Okay, the next question can be right. The cytoskeleton is made up of. So it is made up of three components. One is microtubule, second was in intermediate filament, and third one microfilament. Okay, and the next question can be also asked that the nature of cytoskeleton. Then it is proteinaceous nature. Okay, so and then remaining one question also can be arise that cytoskeleton play important role in cell division. Okay, so these are the questions is very important from this part. So before going to do the competitive exams, please see in one side. Okay, so it is all about today, and I think part 4 has been completed. So we will make video on the part 5th. Okay, for the remaining organelles. Okay, so thank you for all.